Looking for the ultimate launch pad to soar to great heights? Congratulations, you hit the jackpot with the Kingfisher, extraordinary student accommodation in Exeter. With an extraordinary range of self-contained and modern studios, you'll have everything you need to thrive, including a cozy bed to snuggle up in, personal study space for those intense study sessions, a kitchenette to cook up a storm, private bathrooms for when you need to escape from it all, and a plush sofa where you can unwind with a good book and an awe-inspiring view. When it's time to let loose, hit up the games room with your pals or kick it back in the social lounge. And when you're craving some entertainment, stream away to your heart's content on the super-fast Wi-Fi. Conveniently located near the Odeon Cinema bus station, you'll have easy access to Exeter College and the University of Exeter. When hungry, Black Horse for some classic grub, complete with live sports screens, a beer garden, pool table, or indulge in a scrumptious Turkish feast at Zuka's restaurant and cocktail bar. And if you need to stock up on supplies, Tesco Express is right around the corner. What are you waiting for? Make the Kingfisher your go-to launch pad and reserve your spot on amberstudent.com.